Hello and a very warm welcome to English Flow. If you have ever sat in a meeting, walked into an interview, or stood in front of a crowd and felt your mind go completely blank, even though you knew exactly what you wanted to say, you are in the right place. We've all been there. The words get stuck in your throat, your heart races, and that confidence you had 5 minutes ago completely vanishes. But let me tell you a secret, great speakers are not born, they are made. And fluency isn't about having a perfect accent, it's about making your thoughts flow effortlessly from your mind to the world. That is exactly why this channel exists. Whether you are just starting to learn your very first sentences, or you're an experienced professional looking to command a room during a public speech, English Flow is your ultimate destination to master communication. So, what does English Flow actually mean? Most traditional classrooms teach you English as a set of rigid rules, grammar tables, and boring vocabulary lists. They teach you to translate in your head. But translation creates hesitation. When you achieve flow, you stop translating. You start thinking in English. Flow is that beautiful moment when speaking English becomes as natural as breathing. It is the bridge between knowing the language and actually connecting with people. On this channel, we don't just teach you English. We teach you how to use English to build relationships, advance your career, and express your true personality. To help you navigate this journey, we have broken down our content into distinct pillars. No matter where you are today, we have a roadmap for you. Let's look at what you'll find on this channel. 1. From beginning to pro level. If you are an absolute beginner, don't worry. We have step-by-step tutorials covering foundational English, everyday vocabulary, and simple sentence structures. As you grow, our lessons scale up with you, moving into advanced idioms, professional business English, and nuance, taking you all the way to a pro level. 2. Public speaking and public communication. Communication is a superpower. We are going to dive deep into body language, voice modulation, overcoming stage fright, and structuring presentations that keep people on the edge of their seats. You'll learn how to pitch ideas, handle Q&A sessions, and speak with undeniable authority. 3. The art of storytelling. Facts inform, but stories convert. Whether you are talking to a friend, writing an essay, or giving a keynote speech, knowing how to structure a story is essential. We will share storytelling frameworks, hooks, and ideas that will make you the most interesting person in any room. Tell me one thing, why do so many people study English for years but still struggle to speak it? The passive learning trap. We spend 90% of our time consuming, reading and listening, and only 10% creating, speaking and writing. Think about it like fitness. You can watch fitness videos on YouTube for 10 hours a day, but you won't build muscle until you lift the weights. Speaking is a muscle. On English Flow, we don't want you to just sit back and watch. Every single video we produce will have an actionable takeaway. We will give you speaking prompts, pronunciation shadowing exercises, and real-time challenges that force you to open your mouth and practice. We are building an active global community of doers, not just viewers. To make sure you get the absolute most out of your time here is how you can use English Flow as your personal, free academy. Set a schedule. We release new videos regularly, covering everything from quick 5-minute communication tips to deep dive masterclasses and podcast episodes. Pick a routine that works for you. Engage in the comments. The comment section of this channel isn't just for feedback, it's your practice ground. We will regularly pin storytelling prompts or conversation challenges in the comments. Answer them. Write your thoughts out. The 24-hour rule. Whenever you learn a new phrase, a public speaking tip, or a storytelling idea from our videos, challenge yourself to use it in real life within 24 hours. If you commit to this process, I promise you, you will see a massive shift in how you speak, how you carry yourself, and how the world perceives you. Your journey to becoming a confident, fluent, and powerful communicator starts right now. You don't need to be perfect today, you just need to be willing to start. If you are ready to break through your hesitations, master public speaking, dive into amazing conversations, and finally find your English flow, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Thank you for trusting English Flow with your growth. Let's unlock your potential together. Stay confident, keep practicing, and I will see you in our very first official lesson. Bye for now.